Today we're exploring the wealth triangle, a simple three-part formula that every wealthy person uses to build lasting financial success. Most people focus only on income, the money they earn from their job or business. But here's the problem. Working hard alone keeps many people stuck financially, no matter how much effort they put in. The wealth triangle shows us why. True wealth needs three things working together: income, investments, and financial growth. Picture this. Your income flows into investments. Those investments grow over time, and suddenly your understanding of wealth creation lights up. That's where Money Mastery comes in. Your step-by-step guide to building real financial freedom. Financial freedom means having enough wealth and passive income to live life on your terms, without depending on a paycheck. Welcome to the Wealth Triangle, a simple framework that shows exactly how real wealth gets built. The triangle has three sides that work together. Income brings money in, investing makes it grow, and intelligence guides smart decisions. Here's the catch. If even one side is weak, the entire structure collapses. Let's start with income, the foundation of everything. Most people think earning more is the answer, but the real secret is earning multiple ways. Build your income in layers. Start with active income from your job, add skill income from abilities like coding or design, create side income through consulting or online courses, and eventually develop strategic income from automated systems. Poor people depend on one income source, while rich people deliberately build multiple streams. Now let's look at investing, the engine that turns your earnings into real wealth. Income helps you survive day to day, but investing is what helps you escape the paycheck cycle. Here's the mindset shift. Rich people don't just save money, they grow it. Follow this formula. Build an emergency fund first for safety, then automate monthly investing into solid vehicles. Let compounding magic work over time. Keep investing consistently no matter what the market does, and maintain a long-term focus for 5 to 20 years. Automate your investments into index funds, ETFs, systematic plans like SIP or DCA, and retirement accounts to build a diversified portfolio. Think of it this way. Investing turns money into employees, and your employees work 24/7. The third side is intelligence, the hidden advantage most people completely ignore. Financial intelligence means understanding money basics like inflation and compounding, detecting bad decisions before they hurt you, and knowing wealth principles that actually work. Bad decisions include high-interest debt, impulsive purchases, lifestyle creep, and blindly following trends, all traps that destroy wealth. Wealth principles are simple. Pay yourself first, invest consistently, avoid timing the market, build skills constantly, and always protect your downside. Emotional intelligence keeps you calm when markets fall, helps you avoid hype, and stops you from comparing yourself to others. Learning skills in finance, business, communication, marketing, and AI tools all boost your money-making ability in powerful ways. Now here's where it gets exciting. When the three sides work together, wealth becomes almost automatic. Combine income with intelligence, and you get better earning through smarter decisions. Apply intelligence to investing, and you unlock bigger returns from informed choices. Channel income into investing, and you create faster growth through compounding assets. When all three, income, investing, and intelligence work together, they create financial freedom. Some people earning $30,000 a month become rich, while others earning $300,000 stay broke. It's not the salary, it's the triangle. So how do you build your own triangle? Follow 3 steps. Increase income by building one skill and starting a side hustle. Invest monthly, even if it's just a small amount. And develop intelligence by reading finance books and avoiding stupid mistakes. Master the wealth triangle system, and you'll transform your income, investment strategy, and financial intelligence, creating complete financial success and freedom. If you found this valuable, show your support by liking, subscribing, and turning on the bell icon for more content. Your engagement helps us deliver life-changing money lessons every week and grow this community together. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep mastering your money one step at a time. Thank you for watching and being part of the Money Mastery journey.